This is my current maple syrup operation. Basically, I've got the old tomato cooker and the old turkey fryer with these chafing dishes. These are normal stainless steel chafing dishes for restaurants, and when you go to a buffet, you get your scrambled eggs out of one of these. They're high quality stainless steel, and they're cheap because they make a lot of them, and they've got a large capacity and they've got a large surface area. So we're going to repurpose these for the problem with this works really well. The problem is these are low power. Like, I don't know how many BTUs are coming out of that, 50,000 maybe, and it takes forever and it boils slowly, and we got a lot of sap. We got to step this up. The other thing is you burn through a lot of propane. You kind of turn propane into maple syrup, and I want to use wood. I want to use a much cheaper fuel. I just picked up my parts for my sap evaporator. I just got these water jet cut from a company in Trenton, Ontario, HII Precision Water Jet. They're very accurate. The guy says it's a 44 thou kerf. So this is called 12 gauge steel. It's about 2.5 millimeter. Hope it's enough. We'll see. So the pieces just slot together like a puzzle with these little puzzle joints. Okay, it's all set up. The little piece of stovepipe is just guyed with 3 wires and string. I bet you that string burns or melts. We'll see. Okay, I gotta fire this thing up. Certainly the front one is not nearly as hot. I've got the fire. I have to, I guess, bring the fire further this way because the draft is really going up that chimney flue is really working. Surprise, surprise. What I need now is a chair and a beer. Okay, so this is my 3rd day with the sap evaporator running, and it's come to be pretty reliable, and I really like it so far. There's some finer points that I figured out in this little experiment. The first is that the guy wires for the flue is crazy. So this sort of stake arrangement is way better and easy and not awkward and doesn't get in the way. The other thing that's obvious is that it needs a door. So right now I've just got this piece of metal acting as a door, but the draw is incredible with obviously with the hole open. So it needs a door. And the other thing is it has too much draft. So the only sort of typical flue like this you're going to find is a 6-inch in diameter flue. And that's just way too much. So I'm kind of choking it off here, and that reduces the amount of air that flows through and keeps things hotter and burns less fuel. But otherwise, it's really great. It's high power. The other note I would make is that for this sort of hot, fast fire, you really need quality wood. So I needed to use dry firewood, and I needed to split it. And you really need to feed the wood to this thing because you're asking a lot. You're boiling away gallons and gallons of water, and takes power, takes energy. So you really got to stoke it full. But otherwise, it works great. This is working really great, and I'm going to take another revision of this at some point, I think. So if you want to make this exact sap evaporator, there's a link down below to DXF files, and you can send that to just about any kind of CNC cutting shop if they do plasma cutting or if they do water jet cutting. and you can get your own. And this one is sized, like I say, for 12 gauge stock. And maybe you made it this far. Maybe you would subscribe, help me get my YouTube career off the ground. I've been at this for going on several years, and you'll notice there's nobody subscribed. And I don't really care about that, but I feel like some people should subscribe. Anyway, take care and boil some sap, make some syrup. You're going to love it.